How you doing? Chris Bruce here, real estate investor, nationwide coach, as well as the founder of the Top Rated podcast on iTunes called Escaping the REI Newbie Zone. Now, I just got back a signed document contract for one of our sellers that we just picked up a great deal. Another great deal. We should make about $12,000 to $15,000 on this deal. And I wanted to shoot this video real quick. I'm actually in Medellin, Colombia, out here with my dad, visiting the country. I want to shoot this video because I know a lot of you asked, Chris, where can I find a good acquisition manager? All right, and I get it, right? In order for me to be able to do the things that I'm able to do, like travel the world and still be locking up deals, is because I have a phenomenal team, all right? And the acquisition managers that I brought on my team is responsible for locking up our deals, okay? So the best place I can recommend for you to find an acquisition manager, one, is through your network, all right? You'd be surprised of how many people that have sales experience that may have sold cars before or sold, MLMs before or did door-to-door selling. These are perfect candidates for your acquisition team. All you need to do is just show them how to actually sell themselves, sell the results of fixing a problem that a homeowner may have, right? That's how you are going to be able to pick up contracts and pick up deals for steep discounts, all right? Definitely look at your network, all right? Another place that you can go or start to see if you know anybody there would be car dealerships, all right? Car dealership, people that are selling, cars, day in, day out, 7 days a week, they make a lot of money. They're really good, but the thing is that they're overworked and underpaid. So these could be very good candidates, once again, to hire, to bring on acquisition. Actually, my guy Mike, which you've seen before in my previous videos, he ran a car store for 20 years. So he has tons of experience in the car business and selling cars. And that's the reason why he's my top acquisition manager for our team. Another place, another hidden gem that you may not have thought about is bringing in a realtor, all right? The thing about it is that, yes, most realtors are, just selling the house, right, and making a commission off of it. They're selling it for retail. However, you'd be surprised that some realtors that want to get into investing or maybe want to be a little bit a part of investing can be very good acquisition people for you as well too. That's actually how this deal that we just got signed came from one of my dream acquisitions ladies, and she is a realtor, all right? Now you also can use a realtor as a dispositions manager as well, and you can go that route as well. These are some of the people that you can start to bring on as acquisition manager, and they're responsible for locking up deals. Now, most of our deals are being locked up over the phone. A lot of times if we need to go see a property, we'll pay somebody, 40, 50 bucks to go run over to the house, get photos and videos for us, and then we'll use that to be able to send out to our buyers to market the property, okay? So you can do this business totally virtual from anywhere, all right? But you do want to have some type of team in place, or at least, someone that can be your boots on the ground, so that way you can go ahead and do this business from anywhere, and you can still make money and not have to be, stationary to an office or anywhere like that, all right? So go out there. I hope you use this information to find your first or your next acquisition manager for your team. I'm gonna be shooting more videos like this. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that way, once I put these videos out, you'll be able to go ahead and get them and get access to them and watch them as soon as they release. All right, guys, you know my quote, don't live the dream, live your dream. I'll see you on the next one.